Given that x minus a is a factor of bx minus ax plus x squared minus ab, find the other factor. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The question says that x minus a is a factor of this expression, bx minus ax plus x squared minus ab. We are going to find the other factor. This is a quadratic expression, and so it will have two factors. One of the factors has been given to us as x minus a. The question wants us to find the other factor. To get the other factor, we have to factorize the quadratic expression given to us. The expression is bx minus ax plus x squared minus ab. I'll rearrange it such that terms with common factors follow each other. And so I'm going to have x squared plus bx minus ax minus ab. The first two terms have x as a common factor, and the next two terms have a as the common factor. So for the first two terms, I'll factorize x out. When I do that, I'm going to have x into brackets x plus b. And then for the next two terms, I'll factorize a out. There's already negative here, so I'll have negative a into bracket x plus b. Because of the negative sign here, the negative sign between the two terms will have to change to positive, so that when we expand it, we will have negative a times x to give us negative ax, and then negative a times b to give us negative ab. So we have x into bracket x plus b minus a into brackets x plus b. We have x plus b here, x plus b here, so we have one of them in the bracket x plus b, and then the other bracket will be x minus a. So after factorizing the expression, the two factors we have are x minus a and x plus b. The question told us that x minus a is a factor, so we already have that one here, x minus a. The other factor is x plus b. That is what we are looking for. So the other factor we are looking for is x plus b. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is b.